Hey everyone, I'm just going to take a moment to show you a project I've been working on, a Pete Aardema and Kevin Braun inspired project car. It's my 59 Morse Minor, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to do some of the work with Pete and Kevin over at their shop on getting this car up and going. So I'll let you guys check this out and see what you think.
You know, this car has more traction than it has.
More traction?
Yeah.
So for the folks,
It's got to be lighter.
It's got more power and no traction. Holy cow.
so the folks that don't know, I've been working on a car over here behind Pete's shop.
Yeah.
And Pete's been helping me quite a bit on this. So this is my project.
Well, this is the Greg Skunk Works back
Yes,
here.
yeah, it is.
Very much so.
So it definitely doesn't go as quick as Aardema Braun Roadster or Hot Rod,
Well,
but
it needs overhead cams on it.
it needs overhead
Thank you,
cams.
Kevin,
Yeah,
exactly.
You can do that.
yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, if it has
We might even have a kit for that.
if it has push rods, it can't be anywhere. It has to be out back.
Yeah,
right? It's
yeah,
not
push
allowed.
rods are out
Yeah,
back.
a quarter mile away. So this is my 59 Morse Minor, that project I've been working on. And Pete and Kevin have been helping me with it and got it going. It's got the the Corvette 2-port injection on it.
Yep.
We got the ECU in it. Pete helped me make the brackets for the alternator. It's got the Toyota alternator on it, and so this is a Morse Minor Woody, believe it or not. So it's a Woody. So this whole back side is wood. So
Oh, I see you made a bracket for your
not really. I won't show how bad that is, but got 4 brakes on it now today, Pete. So
Yeah,
I got
good.
rear brakes. So
Oh, Cal tested them just
Cal tested it. Cal did a nice burnout in it.
Oh, thank you. Of course, the gas pedal's so low, I have to drive with my heel. So my toe just lays on the bell housing and I push with my heel.
So I got the brakes plumbed up. These are your Corvette calipers you gave me. So those are in.
Just thinking of that.
It's a contraption like all of them, huh?
Yeah, it's a contraption. It's getting there. And this is the Dodge Charger fuse box.
Okay.
So anyway, I'll fire it up so that people can hear it. Needs exhaust for it, huh?
You got flames coming out of there. Look at this. Yep. As a moment of richness, flame comes out.
This is what we would have had in high school.
Oh gosh, we would have been the coolest guys in high school.
Yeah.
You know.
So
And the girls would come flocking. Okay.
So we got a British car running a domestic power plant. It's
Yeah.
been beefed up pretty well. It's got the Mustang 2 front end. It's got the Ford 8.8 rear end, shortened.
Oh yeah, been 4-linked. It had a
Custom
whole
drive
chassis
shaft,
completely
turbo
carbureted
350. So
Ford.
this is
Great-
my
To
contraption.
look at with the hood shut.
Yeah,
Yeah, great combo.
yeah, it looks pretty good. So,
That's what I like. It's kind of mild mannered.
yeah,
You know?
yeah, it's a nice little car. Hood
Oh,
closes.
And it'll have a
Fun.
little blonde Woody on it and stuff.
Yeah, and we got the wood kit, and we've got the moons. All right, so it's
Oh,
got
they're the giveaway.
that land speed tribute.
Monster tires and wheels with land speed hubcaps on there.
But
Oh,
Pete's
yeah.
forklift's still faster.
How much can we chop that down?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm a bad boy. Okay.
All right. All right. Well, thank you, Pete, for
Well,
helping me
there we
with
go.
this.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Anytime.